Hi all of you, now we are going to discuss the next model of finding number of triangles. Okay, in the previous session we'll discussed about some models. Now we'll see another model of counting number of triangles. In triangles, for finding number of triangles we are having so many variations compared to finding number of squares and rectangles. Now we'll see the next model. Maybe it is 8th or 7th model. I'm not sure here. Last we stop, I think 7. Okay. Anyway, see this model. Here, in this model, they will give a square like this and they divide the square into some triangles. How many triangles are there? It is very simple. Simply you can count 1 and 2. Then 2 triangles we are having. Suppose the same square, if they divide like this, now how many total number of triangles we are having? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it? Huh? No, just observe. If you take this diagonal here, this diagonal and this one, 4 plus 1, 5. Similarly with this diagonal, 2. Initially 4 plus 2. One is like this and another one is like this. Next, if you observe here, this is one more. Am I correct or not? Okay. Next, similarly, this one. Again, 2 more. Anything else? Nothing. Then total how many triangles we are having? 8. Then because of these two are very simple figures, easily we can calculate. Now if they given more number of partitions like this, suppose a square shape we are having like this. Now how many total number of triangles we are having? First count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 here. Next, combinations. Okay. Then is there any logic to find? Is there any trick to find the answer directly? Just observe here. Here directly 2. Now observe here. Total how many triangles are there in this square? Because of these two diagonals, total 4 parts we got. 4 triangular shapes. Okay. Then multiply that 4 into 2 means number of triangles into 2. 4 2s are how much? 8. Then here also total how many triangular partitions we are having here? 8. Then what is the trick we are having? 8 into 2. 16. Total number of triangles we are having 16. For example, they given only up to this. Now just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what is the logic? Number of triangular partitions into 2. 6 into 2, 12. Total number of triangles we are having 12. But in competitive exams like NTSC or maybe some SSC or some railway exams or bank exams, they won't ask directly this much simple. They will ask in combinations that we'll see in the next model. It is the basic model in this inside square if we divide it into triangles. Now we'll see next model, nothing but combinations of these. Like this. Total how many triangles are there here? Here they will give 2 squares like this. And diagonals like this. Then total how many triangles are there? Already we know up to this total how many here, total number of triangles 1 2 3 4, 4 into 2 8 triangles we are having for this, and similarly here also we are having 8. Then because of joining these two squares together, then find is there any possibility of new triangles. Just observe here, any possibility. See here, yes, we got one triangle or not? Yes, we got it. And here then total, because of joining these two squares together we got two more extra. Then total how many? 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. Then total number of triangles here we are having 18. Now tell me in this how many total number of triangles we are having. Just already we know here, because of this square 8, here 8 and here 8. Okay. Now just observe combination of, means because these two squares are joined, means this is the common side for both the squares. And because of this common point, how many triangles we are having? 2. And similarly here also we are having 2 more or not? Yes. And because of combination of all these 3 squares, is there any possibility? No. Okay. Only combination of 2 squares we are getting triangles, but combination of these 3 together we are not getting any more triangle. Then total how many here? 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 4, 2 plus 2 4. 24 plus 4 is 28. Total number of triangles we are having 28. Now another one. In exam papers you will get exact shape sum. Okay. See here, the question here also we have to find total number of triangles. How to start counting? Just first go for individual square. Inside this square we are having 1 2 3 4 means 8. Already we know how this 8. And for this we are having 8. And combination of these two we are having 2. Means 8 plus 2 plus 8 here. Next, for these two this is the common point. Then here we get 2 more triangles. And for this 8. Next, combination of these two, already this count we given here 8, and here we have to take, okay, first write better individual, here 8, and for this also we are having 8. For this square we are having total number 8, here also inside we are having 8. And now for this only square, total 8 triangles, in this square 8, in this square 8, in this square 8, in this square 8. Now write the combinations. Because of these two triangles extra, because of these two triangles extra, and because of these two triangles extra here. Okay. Next, because of these two joining here 2 more extra. Then just observe here, total how many 8s we are having? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 squares means 5 into 8. Why? Because each square having same structure. 5 into 8 40. Okay. Next, then joinings, because of joinings how many 2s we are having? 1 2 3 and 4. Just observe the joining, 1 2 3 4. 4 into 2 8, then 48. That's it. Is there any extra? Whenever you are having more number of squares combination, first you have to go for individual square like 8. Okay. Next combination of 2 squares. Next you have to check for combination of 3 squares. Is there any possibility of triangle with 3 squares together? Just observe here, if I take these 3 squares here, from here to here, I am having one more triangle. Like that, here also I am having, because of these 3, I am having one more triangle here. Am I correct or not? Then plus 2. Plus 2. Is there anything extra because of 3 combination? Only this one only extra. Here, because of these 3, one triangle. Because of 3 squares, here one more triangle. Now observe, because of combination of 4 squares together, is there any possibility of a square? Sorry, is there any possibility of another triangle? Is there any possibility? No other possibility. Okay. Then total how many triangles we are having? Total 50 triangles we are having. Like that you have to solve this model. This is the another model to count number of triangles in the given shape. Okay. And sometimes they will ask the question like this also. Now they will give a square here. Now how many triangles are there in this? Just first write individual. Because of this square, 8, 8, 8. Just count number of squares. 4 squares means 4 into 8, 32. 4 into 8, 32. Now because of join of 2 squares, here 2, here 2, and here also 2. How many 2s? 3 2s are 6. Next, now take 3 squares combination. Suppose if you take these 3, here we are having one triangle, and because of these 3, here we are having one more like this, then 2. And just observe here, if you observe, and up to this if you consider, it is one more. It is one more triangle. Then total how many? 32, 38, 39, 41. Total 41 triangles we are having. Like this we have to solve to find number of triangles. Okay. This is about how to find number of triangles. Okay. In the next session we are going to discuss how to count number of squares in the given figure. Thank you. Have a nice day.